Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to hide recently viewed. Log into the backend, now go to Configuration and then Basic Settings. Click on Front-End drop-down and then select Recently Viewed Items. Now change the recently viewed items and select No. Then click Save. Now go to Configuration and Cache, Performance. Now go to Cache tab. Then click on Clear. Now start the process to compile the changes. Now go to the site and refresh to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.